So I first started learning earth science on my own for competitions at my school, like the US Science Bowl, and I just kept on learning more and more because I enjoyed learning the subject. And later on, I competed on the US team for the IESO. So first I qualified for the US Earth Science Olympiad camp, which was the top 40 students in the US, and from there I was selected. And that year, it was the 2024 one was in China, and it was a great experience. And then later, USESO advertised this camp, the Bangalore Prayoga IGYM camp, to me, and I accepted the offer, so I ended up here. Okay, so I would say that this camp has been a really great experience so far, since I've gotten to meet people from a lot of countries that I wouldn't have. For example, I've never talked to anyone from Israel in my life, so getting to meet a lot of people from different countries and seeing what they're like has been really great. And I think also what Professor Nir and Shankar, what they have to say about earth science education and how it relates to the future, I personally think that whether we like it or not, earth science is going to become important in the future because of problems facing us like climate change. So I think in the future, I want to go into earth science to do what I can in this fight.